Good morning, Matt here, MJ Family Farms. Last night, I put together a bunch of very incoherent videos as we navigated a power outage in the middle of a snowstorm, which if you know anything about Central California, we don't have those here. Or if we do, they're very rare. So this is our first one since we just moved in this year, back in February. This is around our 1-year anniversary here. And check this out. It is a white winter wonderland here. It is so pretty, trash cans included, but we were not ready for this. And so I'm gonna show you a string of videos that I took last night where the power went out, which means the lights in our brooder went out, which means our baby chicks were in jeopardy of getting too cold and dying. So we had to do some emergency chicken relocation last night, and we fired up the truck, moved all the chickens into the truck. Power still hadn't come back on for about an hour, so we decided to put them in the electric chicken brooder, which you'll see in the video. I think it's the most high-tech brooder out there. But check this out. There's a good 6 inches of snow on the ground, which is not something we thought we would ever see here. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the string of videos from last night. It was pretty wild. Thanks. It's 1:15 in the morning. Matt and Jean, MJ Family Farms, and there's 100 baby chicks in the truck. Why would anyone at 1:15 in the morning have 100 baby chicks in their truck? I don't know, because the power went out and it's snowing in Central California, which doesn't happen like ever. And our electric heat lamps that keep the chickens warm are electric. So we are in the truck that we have fondly named Stay Puff, because it's a big white marshmallow looking truck. And we loaded all the chickens out of the brooder in the stable, which has our heat lamps, into Stay Puff. Good morning, everybody. Update on chicken power outage. It is now 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. And as I mentioned before, the chickens are all in my truck. They're very happy. They're very warm. The way we like it. But instead of leaving the truck run all night, which doesn't seem like a good idea, we're gonna get high tech and use the Tesla, because it's battery powered and we don't have to run an engine, and it has remote climate control, and we can go back to bed and look at what the temperature in the car is on our phones and leave a window cracked for the chickens. So we're about to load 100 baby chicks into a Tesla and climate control them so that we can go to bed, because it's still 2:30 in the morning. There's our happy, sleepy chicks hanging out in their luxury ride. I wonder if we're the first people to ever use a Tesla Model Y as a chicken brooder. Oh, and one more thing. Silver is not happy about this. We locked Silver in his cage temporarily while we moved the baby chicks because, well, I don't know if you know this, but cats and baby chicks don't always mix. What do you think, Silver? What do you think? We'll let you out in just a second, buddy, I promise. All right, we've reached the end of the road here, and we've brought the electric brooder down to the stable. Gene's in there getting the lights fired up and making sure water and food is available, because I'm betting these little buggers are hungry. Check this out. The Tesla brooder. Dun, dun, dun. Hi, sweeties. We made the night. I don't think they want to leave. I think they're like, wow, this all-wheel drive system is just too good. We don't want to go back to our brooder. Yeah. I suppose that's Robbie's way of saying he's happy that we're all back. Okay, we're gonna load these girls back into the brooder. We're home! The chickens are back in their home. And the Tesla only moderately smells like chicken poop. That was fun.